Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, The Canadian Punjabi Couple. I hope you guys have been doing good. So today's video is going to be a little bit different, and this would be a simple unboxing video of a new tech gadget that I got today on Black Friday in Canada here in Brampton. So I hope you guys would love this video, and it's just going to be a very simple unboxing video showing the contents of the tech gadget that I have just bought. So I hope you guys would like it. So to watch it and let me know in the comment section if you would like to ask me any questions about it, and I would love to answer you guys, so stick around. So guys, I've got myself this bad boy. It's DJI OM4. This is a handheld gimbal and is the latest model in the DJI Osmo mobile series. Now the different thing about this one is it's got a magnetic mount that you can always take out easily, and then you can put your phone back in again with the help of a magnet. I hope you guys can see it in the back. There's a little picture over here. So we're gonna open this bad boy and see its contents. So let's see. Okay, so let's have a look inside the box. Oh, nice. So this one has some instructions inside how you can download the DJI Mimo app that can be used with this gimbal, and it has some manuals inside that says create magnetic moments, and this is how it is. So there's some manuals inside here, as well as you can see it says create magnetic moments. That's the gimbal. That's the stand here. You can keep it as a tripod stand, and then you can actually program it to take snapshot or panorama photos. Charging cable, and this is like a clamp that you can attach with your phone, and this snaps on to the magnet. And this is the gimbal itself. I think that's this magnet. Has a heavy feel, solid. And now let's see what's inside this pack. Okay, so this one has some contents inside. I think this is the bag, and this is an alignment guide, so you can use it to stick the holder. I think it's this one. Yes, it's like a sticker that you normally would put in the back of your phone. So this could be used as a finger holder, and then this also works as a magnet. Okay, and that's some sticker pads, I guess. And ton of manuals. Okay, so after having a look of the ton of manuals and the quick start guide, so this is how the gimbal looks like. So I'll be just turning it on, and I was just trying also to put in this magnet. This is really strong, so you have to put in a lot of pressure to take it out, and it's really strong. So this is not gonna go weak sometime soon, so you can use it like really forever. And let's try to turn it on. So that's how it's gone up, and pressing the M button, so shows that there's a little bit of battery. So let's try to turn this on. Okay guys, so this was a quick unboxing video of the DJI OM4 gimbal. So hope you guys liked the video. Do like, subscribe, share the video. I will also be uploading a video for a quick review on this DJI OM4, so watch out for that. Thank you.